Welcome back to the entrepreneurship class, chapter number 1. The topic is environment. Here you will learn the external environment. This is known as macro environment, and internal environment within the organization called micro environment. Here we are making the diagram for the same internal environment and external environment. This is internal means micro, this is external. In external, you can learn this pastel model. This is the pastel model. Pastel means P for political, E for economical, ES for social, T for technical, E for ecological, L for legal. These six factors make macro environment, and these are the internal stakeholders, or you can say directly attached with the business. Suppliers means from whom we are purchasing the supplies, our customers. Intermediaries means wholesale retailer, agents, etc., competitors within which we are running our business. And general public means society. Students, now we are learning these in detail. Political environment constitutes all the factors related to government affairs, such as the type of government in power, type of government, attitude of the government toward different groups of the society, policies changes implementing by different governments, etc. The political environment has immediate and great impact on the business transactions. So businessmen must scan this environment as carefully. The businessman has to make changes in his organization according to the changes in the political government environment. For example, here you can say in 1977, when Janta government came, means Bharatiya Janata Party, you can say, came in power, they made the policy of sending back all the foreign companies. As a result, the Coca-Cola company had to close its business and leave the country. Now make it point here, students. When the Coca-Cola company had to go from here, the political environment has a large influence over the share market also. Little instability in the political environment affect the share market immediately. There was a benefit for the businessmen who were doing the business in the soft drinks locally, and it was a loss to those businessmen who were depend on the Coca-Cola company. Next topic is economical. When we are talking about economic, we can say that economic environment consists of gross domestic product income level at national level and per capita income, profit earning rate, productivity and employment rate, industrial, monetary and fiscal policy of the government, etc. It may also include the general health of the economy. Dear students, banking sector performs has led to many attractive schemes of deposits and lending money. The banks are offering loans at very nominal rate of interest and with minimum formalities to be completed. Nowadays you can see that in the current environment corona is going on, and a number of policies are being implemented by the state government as well as the central government for the small scale industries and the new entrepreneurs. They can take the loan from the government in the different schemes and are and can get their enterprise established. Or you can say recent changes in economic and fiscal policies of the country have encouraged NRIs and foreign investors to invest in India. when we are talking about the social factor, you can say social culture factor. Students, social environment consists of the customs, traditions of the society in which a business is existing. It includes the standard of living, taste, preference, and education level of the people living in the society, whereas business exists. A businessman cannot overlook the component of social environment, as these components may not have an immediate impact on the business, but in the long run, the social environment has a great impact on the business. There is an example of the Pepsi Cola company. It used to use a slogan, "Come alive," in the advertisement. The people of a particular region misinterpreted the word "come alive." Means misinterpreted means they created a wrong sense of the word slogan "come alive." The misinterpreted meaning was coming out of graves, means grave से बाहर means कब्र से बाहर निकलना. So they condemned the use of the product, and there was no demand of Pepsi Cola in the region. So the company had to change its advertisement slogan, as it cannot survive in the market by ignoring the sentiments of the people. Purpose: suppose an entrepreneur wants to start a business of trendy t-shirt, jeans, skirts, etc., then he will not open a shop in the rural area. He must target the youth of metro cities, because in the metro cities it is a fashion of wearing jeans, t-shirts, etc., not in rural area. The next topic is technical technical environment. This is the next factor of the business environment. Technical environment refers to the change taking place in the method of production, use of new equipment and machineries to improve the quality of the product, as well as not only updated technological machineries but also updated technical products. Technical products, for example, mobile phones, computers, etc. Or you can say color TV also. Because of these changes, you can uh, fulfill the demand of the society, which is continuously demanding new, something different from the existing one. Then the ecological relates to the environment. It considers due to way is considered the way in which organization can produce its goods and services without or with minimum pollution or maybe no pollution. Because when we are talking about ecological, all the resources like raw material or the human resource lives in the environment. So it is the responsibility of the businessman to you can say to create the healthy environment, so that the living environment for our employees should be good, and they must have the healthy working condition in our company or in the organization. And it is possible only when there is no pollution or little pollution, because finally all the things are coming from the society, or many industries are based on the environment, on the trees, etc. Then we are talking about the legal environment. When we are talking about the legal environment constitutes the laws and the various legislations passed in the both houses of parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The businessman cannot overlook the legislation because he has to perform his business transaction within the framework of legal environment. There are a number of rules and regulations which a businessman has to follow The businessman cannot avoid them. That is Mark Act, Essential Commodities Act, Partnership Act, Sales of Goods and Services Act, GST, Income Tax, etc. When we are talking about the aspects of legal environment, there are various laws, legal policies related to license. Some businessmen may require the license. Statutory warnings essential to be printed on the label, like on the liquors it is written injurious for health, it prone to cancer, etc. Another important factor which has a great influence over the business is finance. Finance is the lifeblood for a business. It is the most important factor for starting the running an enterprise. Financial factors include availability of finance from different sources. Sources may be internal or external, internal owner funds and external borrowed funds. Uh, Time involved in procuring finance, time involved in sanctions and release of funds, term and conditions of repayment, and rate of interest charged by the financial institutions. This was all about the external factors of environment. External factors of environment, that is Pestel model. When we are talking about the micro environment, it also affects our business. We must take care of our suppliers, we must make a payment to them on time. Our customers, we should provide the good services, good quality product at a reasonable price. Intermediaries means wholesaler, retailers, what type of services they want, we should provide them. Competitors, we should check the policies and the practices adopted by the competitors so that we can compete them. General public means all the other members of the society who may have different aspects from us. We should, means our business enterprise should try to fulfill their expectations. The next is importance of business environment. We have learned this already. The importance of business environment, it enables to identify the opportunities in the environment and getting the first mover advantage. The example was of car manufacturing company Maruti Suzuki. Next, it also helps and identify a firm to identify the threats and the early warning signals so that accordingly an enterprise can make the policies, strategies, etc. It helps in tapping the and assembling the useful resources for organizations like technologies, machineries, finances. Next importance, it helps to adjust and adapt the rapid changes. Rapid changes takes place in the environment when we are talking about the technology. When we scan the environment, we come to know what type of technology is taking change in the environment. So we may have the updated technological machineries and we can produce a good quality products, etc. Assist means help in the planning and policies. When we have the informations regarding the market or customers, competitors, technologies, etc. Accordingly, we make the plans and policies for our business, that how we will exist in the market, how we will survive in the market, how we will uh, make the growth of the business in the market. Improved performance. Next importance is improved performance, that continuously we check the demand of the customer society and we change the quality of our product and service continuously with the help of creativity and innovation. Now students, by this topic of scanning environment is has been completed. In the next class we will start the next topic. Thank you.